chemical kinetics. Terminology used in chemical kinetics. Terminology used in chemical kinetics. This is a topic I know the reason. There is no topic I told that I cannot come up with another class. Everything is my fault, my subject. I'm a science student and I develop language. So, what are we saying in that sense? Terminology used in what? Science used in chemical kinetics. Are we together? Okay, so the first one is chain reaction. The second one is intermediate products. Chain reaction. Reaction. Chain reaction. Now the third one is rate determining state. They usually come out with the exam. Intermediate product, chain reaction, intermediate product. Now when you are putting this, put it as a compound way separated by hyphens. Rate determining state. Rate determining state, otherwise known as RDS. Then the next one is molecularity. Molecularity, then rate determining state, RDS. Are you okay with that? Okay, we have molecularity, we have orders of reactions, order of reaction. Then lastly, I would like to draw what we call law of mass action. Law of mass action. It's okay. Let's just take it one after. Let's talk about law of mass action. Let's talk about law of mass action. Action. SBT. Are we together? Molecularity or molecularity. We have chain reaction, we have intermediate products, we have rate determining state, we have molecularity, we have orders of reaction, and we have law of mass action. Please, are we together? Please, I'm begging you to give me your you want to I don't think you will get better than